restorative handout, and there's don't follow a back bend with a forward bend, right? Sure, you can follow. No one's spine is gonna blow up in a no one's nuclei, vertebral nuclei are gonna be like right onto the walls if they do a back bend by a forward bend. But remember, restorative has the dimension of time. So if I'm lying on my back in a big back bend, that's a lot of divergence. And if I just suddenly, and remember, like, I'm not talking about doing back walkovers. Back walkovers is an activity. But it's still divergence, convergence is happening, but it's very active. Every single step that I take, stance phase, swing phase, stance phase, swing phase, there's this lateralization of convergence, divergence. From the chest wall to the heel, to the big toe mound, to the visual field. But when I'm moving, I'm very active and I'm balancing those together. When I'm quiet, like in restorative, a back bend is divergence. Why would I suddenly do convergence? There's ease in restorative. Is there going to be a situation where you are going to want to do that? Absolutely. But how are you going to know? The person is going to tell you, not verbally, but by what you see. But for the most part, don't do it. Take them out of lots of divergence and put them in a twist or more neutral. Ease them into convergence.